When designing an organisation for a function, there will often be limited freedom, as the functional organisation will have to fit within the overall organisation in a logical and workable manner. Of course, if you're looking at an entire organisation, you have much more freedom. The strategy of the organisation and the organisational culture will impact your choice. It depends on how far-reaching a transformation you're working on as to how much genuine choice you will have in the design here. So we now reach the point where we share the Loughridge Transformations step-by-step model for achieving effective, efficient, well-controlled and sustainable performance. You might be looking at the screen now and thinking, wow, 14 steps, that is a lot. And it's probably too much for my organisation. Well, one thing that we place quite some value on at Loughridge Transformations is what we call scalable and modular. And what I mean by that is that everything we do can work standalone or be fitted together. It also means that the principles can be applied to small, large, and global multinational scales of organisations. Of course, the 14 steps you're looking at can work in the most sizable organisations with thousands of finance staff. However, it also works at the other end of the spectrum. Woon-Hui and I worked together on a programme that indeed impacted 5,000 FTEs and had all the possible complexities you can imagine. But I've also used this model with an organisation that had just 30 staff. To be honest, it was a couple of half-day workshops from start to finish on the design. And of course, we didn't do all 14 steps. Some steps were super light touch. Nevertheless, the output after that time was a brand new org chart based on processes with roles, jobs, and people assigned to them, and clear gaps for recruiting a couple of new positions. It can be done.